funded trader takes 2 L's in a row.
You turtle soup this slow in the lower time frame here.
Okay. First red flag, turtle soup. So basically, for those of you who don't know, turtle soup is essentially just trading the wicks, expecting a wick lower, then a wick to fail to come lower and then go higher. It's a very gambling style strategy because there is no way to definitively know if that is going to happen or if it's just going to continue lower. So this is so far not great.
We are inside of this 15-minute rejection block, creating SMT divergence at these lows. See what happens.
Order filled.
All right.
There you go.
Order filled.
Yeah, so that's exactly what I was talking about. There's no way to know if that is going to go higher or lower just based on the previous two wicks. And that angry shout that we just heard is one of those things that is just telling me emotional reaction, no real plan, no real structure, no real idea what he's actually doing. I don't think you guys can see it, but I can see on my screen he's already had a stop loss. He just took another stop and now he's entered again. This is not seeming like good trading.
All right, this is my last entry.
Well, I'm glad he has a limit.
My last entry.
So now he's just trying to buy a double bottom. Not to mention the very obvious and very clear momentum to the downside. So here's a general rule I follow. When we have markets that go lower, have a pullback, I'll always look to short that pullback rather than trying to buy and catch the bottom. Because when we have these aggressive moves lower, the chances are we will continue lower. We come up, we have a little bit of a mean reversion back to whether it be VWAP or normalize price in some way, and then we move lower. So I'm not really sure why he's buying. He must have his own reasons. I'm not sure what the market conditions were or what was going on in the economies at this time. I don't know when it was recorded. But already this is just seeming like gambling rather than trading.
Perhaps I got impatient for this first trade.
Yeah, probably. See, like this constant movement of take profits with some strategies I understand, and maybe that is part of his strategy, but this whole video so far is just showing me that this guy is trading more from emotion and intuition rather than from an actual plan and strategy.
Order filled.
No way.
I don't know why you say no way, like it can't happen. Like this isn't trading, and I know that a lot of people do trade like this, and this just isn't trading. There is not much more for me to say. It looks like intuition. It's this garbage strategy, and I know I only saw a short clip, but from what he has said, I already know it is a garbage strategy and a garbage way to trade. So there is nothing I can say here. Unfortunately, traders like this normally stay stuck in this cycle and this trap until they have had enough of losing and decide to seek real trading strategies and styles.